I've been working in conservation for 25 plus years, and I initially started off, surveying for birds like a lot of biologists do, things like that. But I stumbled into working on invasive species projects, and then once I did that, I really found that I had hit my niche. It was my passion and something that I've been working on for over 20 years. And I think working on invasive species is so important, and so important for me because it's a huge problem. And I think in the last couple of decades we've become to recognize how much of an impact invasive species have on our native species, on our economy, on our human health. And then for me as an invasive species biologist, I get to work directly on those problems. I can see that if I pursue a problem, I can address a problem, I can find solutions, and then I can actually provide benefits for our native species. I can help in the recovery of some of those species. Some of those things that we're working on where I actually direct actions have helped native species on some other islands where I worked. We have removed cats from an island, and the removal of those cats has directly contributed to the recovery of a native iguana. Before cats were removed, they were eating all of the juvenile iguanas, and the population was not surviving. But once we removed cats and removed that predation threat, then the population recovered, and now the iguanas are thriving on their own.